Ever looked up at the clouds and thought, I'm glad that's just water? Well, on Venus, you'd be in for a nasty surprise. The second planet from the Sun is shrouded in thick yellowish clouds, but they aren't made of water vapor like ours. They're composed of concentrated sulfuric acid. Imagine a planet where it rains battery acid. Sounds intense, right? But here's where it gets even stranger. These sulfuric acid droplets fall from the upper atmosphere, but they never actually reach the surface of Venus. The planet's surface is incredibly hot, averaging around 465 degrees Celsius, or 870 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. As the acid rain falls, it hits a scorching hot lower layer of the atmosphere and completely evaporates, turning back into gas long before it can make a puddle. This process creates a fascinating, yet puzzling, cycle. The evaporated sulfur compounds rise back up, reform into clouds, and the cycle begins again. Now, based on what we know about chemistry, this constant cycle of evaporation and condensation should alter the chemical balance in Venus's atmosphere over time. Sunlight and heat should break down the sulfuric acid, creating other sulfur compounds like sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. But when we observe Venus, we see something that defies our models. The chemical balance in its atmosphere is surprisingly stable. The amounts of these different sulfur chemicals just stay the same. It's like a planetary scale magic trick. Something is happening that we can't see, an unknown process that's keeping this delicate and toxic chemical equilibrium perfectly balanced. So, what could it be? Scientists are scratching their heads. Is there some unknown chemical reaction occurring in the lower atmosphere? Could it be a geological process, with volcanoes on the surface releasing specific gases that replenish the system? Or, and this is a wild thought, could there be some form of aerial microbial life floating in the more temperate layers of the clouds that metabolizes sulfur and maintains this balance? We just don't know. This sulfur mystery is one of the biggest unanswered questions about our planetary neighbor. It's a reminder that even the planet next door is full of secrets, waiting to be uncovered. What do you think is keeping Venus's atmosphere so strangely stable? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of our solar system, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more space explorations. See you next time.